Hello, this is the star. The bank is between the theater and the park. Take take the bus to the bank. The bakery is between the restaurant and the hotel. Take a taxi to the bakery. The aquarium is around the corner on the right. The library is around the corner on the left. The church is next to the hospital. The hospital is across from the police station. The stadium is next to the mall, and the mall around the corner, and the school next to the church. Walk to the school. Thank you.